So welcome to the CS50 Project 0 search. Our assignment was to design a front end for Google Search, Google Images, and Google Advanced Search. As you can see, the main index HTML page looks almost exactly like a Google one. On the top right, in the top right corner, there are links linking to the Google Images, linking back to the index HTML, and linking to advanced search containing advanced HTML file. So the main Google search functionality is that you can type in your query, press the Google search button, and then using get parameters it redirects you to the original Google search result. When you as you can see, the Google search looks exactly like a Google search interface. So there is a center bar, search bar with rounded corners. There are two buttons, Google search and I'm feeling lucky button. Of course, there is a Google logo centered on the page. Then when you click on the images, you go to the Google Images search, and it works exactly like Google Images search. So when you enter your query and press enter, it shows you the graphics as a result of the query. Then if you get back and click on advanced search, then you have you have an option to use the Google Advanced Search functionality, which as you can see, there are 4 stacked input fields and an advanced search blue button, exactly the same as in original Google Advanced Search. In any of these fields you can type in your specific parameters. So you can type in that you're looking for pages with all these words, with this exact phrase, any of them, and none of these words. Finally, on this main Google search page, we have this I'm feeling lucky button. It uses additional HTTP GET parameters to redirect you directly to the first page of your search query. So yeah. Finally, as you probably noticed, the appearance of this interface was styled to mimic the original Google one. So we have the images, advanced search, the buttons, all was styled using the CSS styling sheet, just in order to resemble the original Google search interface. Thank you.